Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a Cyclone Range Hood. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is actually a Cyclone Range Hood, and I will be using this specific model for the demonstration in this video. But you can pretty much take these instructions and apply them to any Cyclone Range Hood because they all work in a very similar manner. Let's get right into the video tutorial. As you can see, we have these two buttons here along with an LED screen and then these three buttons over here. Now these three buttons are very simple. They basically control the fan speed of the Range Hood. You have slow, medium, and fast. If you push the slow one, it displays the number 1, medium displays number 2, fast displays number 3, okay? And you push whichever one you're on to turn it off. So if I was on speed number 2, I could push number 2 to turn it off as well. Very easy and straightforward to use. This button to the left of the LED screen controls the lights. I can turn them on or off. My lights don't work right now, that's why they're not turning on, but that's how you would turn them on and off. Very simple and straightforward. And then this button over here, all the way to the left, is actually the time delay. Now this is really cool. It's a really cool and useful feature, and it's actually easy to use once you know how to use it. Okay, I'll explain it right now. And I'll demonstrate. When the fan is on, okay, when the fan is on, you're gonna push this button and hold it down. That's going to bring up some flashing numbers that are going to describe the number of minutes that you want the fan to stay on for before automatically turning off. You can cycle through the number of minutes by pushing the first speed of the motor over here, and then you can also cancel it by pushing that button again. So I can turn it on to the first speed, let's say, for instance, okay? Then I can push and hold this down. As you can see, it's flashing the number 3 for 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, or if I don't want to use it anymore, I can simply turn it off. Very, very easy to use, very straightforward, really simple fan, but really useful. And that's it. That is how to use a Cyclone Range Hood fan. Very easy to use, and it's also an awesome fan, an awesome Range Hood fan, might I add. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.